Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. So today we're gonna go ahead and draw something a little bit different. So today I wanted to go ahead and give ourselves something new to draw that we haven't done on this channel yet. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this little long staple shape. Okay, so two legs, a little top there. We're gonna go ahead and go across evenly. Try to make those as even as possible. Go down a little bit, about the same width as this here. And then you're gonna go in, stop right at this edge. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down. And we're gonna finish that off. In the center would be a dot if I didn't have this cross here, but I'm gonna assume that the center of my heart is gonna be right around here as far as where the actual curves go. So I'm gonna go up a little bit here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side so I know where I'm going. I'm gonna go around this here, and I'm gonna follow it down. So now I know where I'm gonna stop, and that should be an even loop around this side as well. Finish it off. So now we have ourselves a heart with a cross inside, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little quick background, and then we'll get this one colored. Very simple, very fast, and easy. Okay guys, so before I go ahead and color in this cross, I just want to give myself 3 dots of red, 2 there, and 1 here to signify where Jesus was nailed to the cross. And now we're going to go ahead and use our brown, finish off coloring it. So as I finish up the cross and jump into the red, the reason why I am doing this drawing is just to signify the perfect love letter, the perfect love story. Jesus Christ coming down from heaven, humbling himself and coming as a little child in a manger, in a feeding trough, and living a perfect life and dying for our sins in our transgressions. And though we deny him in our hearts time after time, he still loves us, and he died. God gave his one and only son so that none should perish, but everybody has an opportunity to have everlasting life in believing in Jesus Christ from Nazareth. And that's just the love story that took my heart. And I was saved on Valentine's Day 5 years ago, 2016. And it's a day that I'll never forget. And I owe it all to him for sticking by my side when I wasn't even looking at his. And it's been a fun ride. It's been a very fun ride. I've been blessed and extremely excited to do this drawing specifically, my first on this channel. All right, guys, well, there you have it. There's our cross with our heart. If you like what you see, guys, if you enjoyed doing that drawing, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Happy Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.